so guess what? I decided to stop by Dollar Tree. I had no plans at all, but there was a Dollar Tree by the doctor's office. I thought I'm just gonna go in and see if I can get all 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 4 people for a week at Dollar Tree. Some Dollar Trees have some good stuff, some are so-so. I have no plan at all. I'm just gonna go see what they have. Let's see what exciting things await. Ooh. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we put up new videos. Hello, I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less. We have a new hardcover with full color pictures and over 1,200 recipes and tips to help you save money on your grocery bill. Check it out at livingonadime.com. Hello guys, so this is an adaptation from my other video. I wanted to show you how you can feed one person for 2 weeks for $36 and eat well, and it's not beans and rice. Guys, I wrote Dining on a Dime cookbook because you don't have to live on beans and rice to eat well. So let me show you what we eat for 2 weeks for a single person for $36. All right, for breakfast, we've got oatmeal. This package right here has 11 servings, so that'll get you more than a week, with some milk and some butter. I assume you already have sugar at home. And for the other breakfast, we'll have scrambled eggs with cheese and English muffins. Now, for lunches, I got some salami and the rest of the cheese with some bagels and some fruit. Then if you want, you could have a fried egg sandwich, like a egg and cheese sandwich on a bagel for lunch. That would be really tasty. And then we have fruits for all of your lunches, or to go with all of your lunches. For dinners, we've got mashed potatoes. Mix these up with your butter and your milk. Served with chili on top. This will get you 2 dinners. This will get you 2 dinners. Then we have spaghetti with meatballs and mixed vegetables. This can be 4, 5, 6 servings, depending on how many noodles you make. But this could be 5 to 6 dinners right there. Next, we have meatball stew. We've got our carrots and our, oops, I got the wrong can. This is supposed to be potatoes. But anyway, potatoes, carrots, beef broth, meatballs, and then flour to thicken the meatball stew. This will get you at least 3 dinners. You don't need, this is a serving of 2 for meatballs. This is 2 servings here, but I would stretch it to 3 if you needed to. Next, we've got barbecue meatballs with our barbecue sauce and our Texas toast and our broccoli. This will get you 4 to 5 dinners right here. Then we've got our stir fry with our chicken and our minute rice. This could get you 3 dinners right here. Then we've got chicken soup with noodles, carrots, your chicken right there, and bouillon cubes, which you'll use later. You could get 3 or 4 dinners out of that easy. So for $35, you can eat really well for 2 weeks for one person. There's no beans and rice here. This is good, substantial food. Yes, I know it's not perfectly balanced, healthy, whatever you want to call it. But for Dollar Tree, I'm thinking that's pretty good. Most of these recipes can be found in our Dining on a Dime cookbook. I will link them in the description below. I wrote out all the recipes that I would use for these, and I will show you now what all of the dinners look like. Please visit us at livingonadime.com for more tips and recipes on how to save money on your grocery bill today.